I'd like to show you what we've done for our satellite system in the caravan. Initially we just had these two sockets here in this thing, so it's just a double unit there. What we've done is added a third one with a twin feed. That was single feed for our old Sky digital box that we used to bring. We're now bringing our sky+hd box, which needs two feeds. Rather than taking that one out, I thought it'd be better to leave that in and just put two more in for the Sky Plus box. As it was, that was there, so the two sockets there. This outer cover just pops off. If you get a flat bladed screwdriver in there, it just pops off. This mounting frame is then secured with a screw at the top and bottom. So unscrew that, this will come off, it'll leave those two there. We wired that in, and then it's just a case of, with the three triple frame in there, you just push them into location. There's some pins on the back, they have little holes in the corner. Push them on the pins to locate them, screw them in, screw at the bottom again, screw at the top up there, and then just push the cover on. The twin cables for this shotgun cable runs down the back of here, along under our bed and out through the door under the bed. It works a treat. Thanks.